Hi everyone, welcome to a new macrame tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make these accent straps for a dress. Please support me by subscribing, liking and commenting, thank you! Well, let's get started! Prepare 10 ropes. Measure 35 cm and tie with any rope. Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macrame Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. You'll find step-by-step lessons for a macrame teepee, a hanging chair, a guitar holder, and more beautiful pieces coming soon, like a boho bandana, a lace tote bag and a beaded belt. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Take a new rope, make a loop and wrap the long end around all the ropes together with the loop. Put the long end through the loop. Pull the top end. Cut the ends. Divide the ropes into two halves. Cross the two center ropes and make a clove hitch knot a short distance from the winding. So these are the base ropes. On them I weave all the other ropes. I make clove hitch knot diagonals on the left and right. Then the base ropes change their direction, and now I weave diagonals downwards and towards the center. I connect the base ropes with a clove hitch knot. I do the same rhombus below. And I continue to weave the rhombuses in this way. I've made 7 rhombuses in total. Take a new rope and make the same wrapping as we did in the beginning. Leave the desired length of fringe. So the length of the slings without the fringe is 43 cm or 17 inches. Make a second strap of the same length. For temporary fixation of the straps to the dress I use pins. It is better to use small. I have pins only this size, but they also fit. They are not visible from under the dress. Instead of pins, you can sew the straps to the dress in 3 places: front, back, and on the strap itself. And pin the pins from the wrong side of the dress in front and back. And also you need to fix the braided strap on the strap of the dress, on a small pin or so. Now the dress looks much more interesting, don't you think?